So, what we understood, name and shape give idea to time and space. Yoga is ability to look at something without giving the name. Just direct, that we call direct seeing. And if I direct can see you, I will look here. Very different way, like I am looking a person first time. Whenever you will look at a person, it is not from the past then. You will look at the person as you are seeing first time. But you will not show it, because otherwise other person will freak out. You really look at everything as it's first time, because there is no memory involved. When I give name, oh, she is Tom and she is a student, finish. Understand one thing which I am saying to do right now, because it might can open something within you. When I give her a name, a shape, I kill the wonder. Are you getting me there now? I kill the wonder. And when I say to you today, look at something which catches your heart. And when that touch happened to the heart, was there any language that time? No. It was like, oh, wow, isn't it? If you verbalize it, oh, it's a bird and it's a bug, it's gone. It's finished. At the moment you said it, it's finished. You can't catch hold to it. So now, if I want to live in wonder, and that is the whole effort of a yogi, how to create wonder right now in this moment. Hope you are walking with me. I am taking you very step by step into something. When I am able to create my wonder right now, this moment, is there is any boredom then from life?
No.
Is there is any problem then? Is there is any missing then?
No.
Is there is any desire then? Is there is any wanting then? Isn't it this moment is enough into itself? But only a yogi knows, because how to create wonder in this moment. And to create a wonder, I have to get out from the name and the shapes. Now look at another point. A child who took birth, do he know any name?
No.
Do he know any shape?
No.
So first few years, 1 or 2, he lives in wonder.
No.
And the moment he start knowing the name and thing, he start coming out from that and coming to the suffering. Can you see that? Oh my God. That's why I said Adam and Eve eat the fruit of the knowledge and they are out of heaven. So now how to tap into this wonderland? When I look at something, I just look. Are you getting me there? When you look at something, you just look. And that look be very wonder, like just look. Not giving it a name, not giving it a shape. In that very moment, when I am not giving a name, not giving a shape, I am in touch with reality. Otherwise it's an illusion. Only that moment I see reality. And please stay with me, something beautiful happening.